Have a nice guys. Today, I will bring you the full history of Naga City, located in the province of Camarines Sur, in the Bicol Region of the Philippines. Boasts a rich and diverse history that spans pre-colonial times to the present day. Before Spanish colonization, the area now known as Naga City was a flourishing settlement. The name Naga is derived from the local term for the narra tree, Pterocarpus indicus, which was abundant in the region. The Bicol Region, where Naga is situated, had close ties with the Kedatuan of Madja-as Confederation on Panay Island. According to the epic Maragtas, groups led by Datu Puti settled in areas around Taal Lake, Laguna de Bay, and eventually moved southward into the Bicol Peninsula, integrating with the local populations. In 1573, Spanish explorers founded the city as Nueva Cáceres, named after a province in Spain. It became one of the original 5 royal cities in the Philippines, alongside Cebu, Manila, Iloilo, and Vigan. The city played a significant role in the spread of Christianity in the region. Every September, Naga hosts the Peña Francia festival in honor of Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, the patroness of the Bicol Peninsula. This event attracts numerous devotees and tourists, highlighting the city's deep-rooted religious traditions. On September 18, 1898, under the leadership of Corporals Elias Angeles and Felix Plazo, local revolutionaries initiated a revolt against Spanish authorities. After intense fighting, the remaining Spanish forces sought refuge in the San Francisco Church Convent. Unable to withstand the siege, they eventually signed a peace treaty at the University of Santa Isabel, marking the end of over 323 years of Spanish rule in Naga. This event is commemorated annually on September 19th as Liberation Day in the city. In 1919, the city was renamed from Nueva Cáceres to its original name, Naga. During World War II, in 1941, Japanese forces occupied Naga. However, by 1945, combined American and Filipino guerrilla forces successfully liberated the city from Japanese control. Naga's status as a city was officially recognized on December 15, 1948. It has developed into a regional center for commerce, trade, culture. The city is home to several educational institutions, including the University of Nueva Cáceres, established in 1948. Today, Naga City is known as the Heart of Bicol due to its central role in the region's economic, cultural, and religious activities. It continues to thrive as a hub for education, commerce, and tourism.